Sleep deprivation occurs when you're unable to get the recommended amount of restorative sleep for your age. Keep watching to learn about the top 10 effects of insufficient sleep and how they can play havoc with your life. As a new dad, life's demands have left you running on fumes, causing you to behave awkwardly, even when doing day-to-day tasks. You've nodded off in strategy meetings, worn mismatching shoes to a client presentation, and found your lost house keys in the deep freezer. These stories make for a few laughs amongst friends, but sleep deprivation is not funny and can lead to serious consequences. What is sleep deprivation? Generally, sleep deprivation is a term used to describe sleeping patterns that fall below the recommended sleeping hours. So, if you're getting insufficient sleep for several weeks or months, you'll be considered sleep deprived by your doctor. However, there is no precise limit that determines whether or not you're sleep deprived. For instance, those with obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, will be considered sleep deprived even if they get 8 hours of sleep due to low sleep quality. Sleep is essential for nearly every physiologic function in the body. Your body repairs itself and prepares for the next day while you sleep, explaining why sleep deprivation has such a negative impact on the entire body system. Sit tight, because we're going to review the top 10 effects of sleep deprivation. Number 1. Daytime sleepiness and fatigue. If you don't get enough sleep at night, your body will try to compensate by sleeping during the day when it's inconvenient. So good luck making it through accounting's 3-hour meeting on expense reports. Number 2. Altered cognitive abilities. Sleep deprivation affects the brain by reducing its alertness. As a result, concentration and memory suffer, as do problem-solving abilities, reasoning, and alertness. So that follow-up email you're supposed to send might be a challenge to write, if you even remember to write it at all. Number 3. More aging signs. Sleep deprivation causes a decrease in hormone growth and an increase in cortisol release. Low hormone growth affects cellular regeneration and collagen production, resulting in rapid skin aging. Sorry, but no amount of face cream can save you. Number 4. Decreased libido. Sleep deprivation reduces testosterone production in men, resulting in low sex drive. Hear that, Rico Suave? Number 5. Increased risk of serious illness. Those who are sleep deprived are more likely to develop serious conditions like heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and diabetes. None of this sounds festive. None of it. Number 6. Depression and mental illness. Sleep disorders and mental illness have a bidirectional relationship, meaning that insomnia can lead to poor mental health, and mental disorders can lead to insomnia and sleep deprivation. Whatever the direction, sleeplessness ain't fun. Number 7. Higher mortality rate. Sleep deprivation can shorten your life by years, and, well, there's no coming back from this one. Number 8. More weight gain. Sleep deprivation affects the hormones that regulate appetite. This causes an imbalance resulting in overeating and weight gain. So, a good rule is to avoid buffets when sleep deprived. Number 9. More risk of accidents. Studies show that sleepiness can impair your concentration while driving, increasing the likelihood of an accident. Might be safer to get a bus pass. Number 10. Decreased immunity. If you don't get enough sleep, your body won't be able to replenish its resources and rebuild its fighting arsenal against infection. Exhausted and sick? Not the best combination. If you're sleep deprived for an extended period, you're at risk of serious bodily damage. Talk to your doctor about your sleep patterns so you can get your health back on track. Help is available.